How to change who can message you on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can change who can message you on Facebook Messenger. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Messenger app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Messenger, and if you see an update button next to it, tap on it in order to update the app to the latest version. Once you have updated the application, you want to simply go over and open Messenger, and let's say that you want to simply change who can actually message you. It's very simple to see that. All you have to do is tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen, and as you tap on the profile icon, you'll see all these options. You have to go to this option which says privacy and safety. So simply tap on privacy and safety, and right over here at the top you'll find this option which says who can reach you, and it says message delivery. Choose who can message you. So all we have to do is tap on message delivery button. And now you can see, decide whether message requests go to your chat list, your messages folder, or whether to not receive them at all. For example, you can customize what people with your phone number can do. You can tap on it, you can choose that they can send you a chat, or they can send you a message request where it's going to be moved to the request folder, or you can simply select don't receive request, which means that they will simply not be able to message you. And that way, if you want to customize it, come back again, you can see friends of friends on Facebook. So you can tap on it. If you want your friends of friends to send you a chat, which will be sent to your main chat feed, or if you want to send it as a message request, or if they want it to not receive it at all, you can simply select that as well. Similarly, you can select accounts you follow or have chatted on Instagram, or your followers on Instagram. And you could go ahead and other people on Facebook or other people as well. So you can go ahead and select message request, and then you can select others on Instagram as well. And this is how you can decide and customize who can message you on Facebook Messenger. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.